Let's unbox our second grade homeschool curriculum, and yes, I ordered it early. Our charter school allows us to order ahead for the upcoming school year using any extra homeschool funds, so I wanted to grab a few things while I could. We picked up several books that go along with Build Your Library Level 2. These will cover science, history, art, and poetry, and I do love how Build Your Library lets us learn through living books instead of just worksheets. Even though we're not using Build Your Library as a full curriculum this year, these books are going to be a great addition to our home library. For math, we went with Math with Confidence Grade 2. We did use Math with Confidence for kindergarten and first grade, and we absolutely loved it. For language arts, we'll be using a brand new curriculum called Lightning Literature Level 2. This is literature based, low prep, and very discussion rich, which I think is going to be a great fit for our second grader. I also went back and forth quite a bit on whether or not to purchase the Build Your Library Level 2 literature books, and if combining that with Lightning Literature Level 2 would end up being a little too much. After doing a lot of research, comparing both programs, and really thinking through how each one would fit into our homeschool, I decided to not invest in the Build Your Library literature books. Instead, we're going to be pulling from our own home library and picking books we haven't read yet, and using Lightning Literature as our main literature curriculum, since those books are ones my second grader will actually be reading himself.